Hi, I'm Garrett Jess, owner of Jess Ford in Grand Coulee and Pullman, and today I'm talking about what I drive and why I drive it. I drive a 2023 King Ranch F350 high output, which is right over here. This one. Is that funny? I bought this summer. I previously had an F-150, which is probably my favorite vehicle to drive. So I have a lot of experience driving diesels and going to rodeos up and down the highway all the time. I don't rodeo anymore, but my in-laws are involved in farming and ranching, and being around there and helping pull equipment or pulling hay or whatever, I decided I'd get a diesel, kind of help out a little bit more, and I am a sucker for the King Ranch because this has a Western theme to it, and yeah, it's my favorite trim. The King Ranch is a trim line after the King Ranch in Texas. That's what this logo is right here. It was established in 1853. Ford's had it for a long time. Just has that Western theme to it, which kind of fits my background and kind of our community. So it's a higher end Western trim, and it's my favorite. I like the look the most. The other thing in these newer Super Duties is they have a huge screen now that's a lot bigger than they used to be. Also, the LCD screen here is a lot bigger, so I like that. The exhaust brake a lot better than it used to be, so it contributes to its purpose a lot better. And yeah, it has all the bells and whistles: heated, cooled seats, adaptive cruise, sunroof, pro trailer package. So it's pretty much got everything you want. But my favorite thing is I like the style of the King Ranch. Like the big screen, I also like the wireless CarPlay, so you can actually use your phone on the screen. You can use your phone's maps. I use the maps on my phone with CarPlay way more than nav. You can play your Apple Music. Got Morgan Wallen on there. Has your favorites. Has other apps that you can include. It'll read your text messages to you, podcasts, audiobooks. Really like the functionality and the interactiveness that wireless CarPlay provides. The cameras are really cool on this one. This one has 360 view, so you can see that it shows you everything around you, if you're getting close, but also if you're parking and trying to be in between the lines, you can see. It has the center mount camera where you can back up and with a gooseneck, and you don't have to twist your neck trying to look and back and see there. Look down both sides of the car from a rear view mirror. Also, if you want to look and hook up to your trailer there, it does have the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this has the high output 6.7 new for 2023. I'm excited to use it. I haven't got to use it a whole lot towing yet, but I'm getting good reports on it. If you have any questions, we have a YouTube video about the high output 6.7 that we'll link to this video. So right now, on another episode of Jess Ford Undercover, Brandon, who's I'm sure you know, is in charge of parts and service. He's helping a sales customer right now. Not really sure what to think about this. I'm gonna go over under here. I'm gonna say he's gonna get far enough along to show him a vehicle. Odds of closing the car deal, I'm gonna go 35%. I'm gonna go 35%. So we'll see how this shakes out. So growing up in the rodeo community, being in that my whole life, early on, kind of Ram and Chevy dominated the rodeo landscape. Since this 6.7 came out in 2011, you know, Ford's been winning more and more market share in the rodeo world, and now Ford actually dominates the parking lots at the rodeo world. So 6.7 has had a lot of success, a lot of good reliability. We hardly see any problems with the 6.7. It's been a great engine for Ford, and really helped us sell more Ford Super Duties because of it. Again, Garrett, Jess Ford, thanks for following along on this video about what I drive and why I drive it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to follow along, Jess Ford, Grand Coulee and Pullman. Is that going to screw us up? Help out around the farm a little bit more. Gosh, that's stupid.